Simple lang, no? Kung naniniwala tayo ng kabataan ng kinabukasan ng bayan, kailangan ngayon pa lang, we build it with them. In building that, very crucial yung narrative storytelling. We begin telling our stories to them and them telling their stories and aspiration in building that future. Hindi tayo eh. In fact, dito sa mga workshops na to, sa mga screenings, ang kaharap namin is the future. Kaya ganun ka touching, ganun ka, parang kinikilabutan ako kapag nagre-react sila, kapag may nagiging emotional, natatouch sa film because, or may namumove na nagsasabi gagawa ako ng film kasi, ibig sabihin, optimistic sila na may future tayo. Sa gitna ng, di ba, may future naman, pero how to make that a better one than what we have right now, yun yung wish namin na sila mismo gagawa ng paraan for this place to be much better than how it is right now.